Si Thammarat, Thailand. This is southern Thailand. I'll show you around. So we got the whip. This is our beautiful form of transportation here. This is a Honda Click. We try to drive carefully, as carefully as possible. All right. So this is our living room right
Shoes
here.
off.
Yeah, shoes off always. This is an Asian household. All right. So here's our living room. We got a lot of space in here.
Yeah, it's pretty empty. This is kind of like a reality of being a traveler living abroad. It doesn't really make sense to buy a lot of things to fill your space when it's temporary, so.
Yeah, we don't really need that much stuff because we don't really know what we're doing next year, if we're gonna be here, if we're gonna be traveling. So that's why all you see is a couch and a rug.
The essentials.
Yeah. Dining area / work area. Got a little like terrarium here. I think it's cool. It opens up like that.
We have all the space. We have a big like closet underneath for storage of things, which is really nice.
It's like a Harry Potter closet.
Yeah, I think the thing you'll find from this tour is that it's very spacious.
Very spacious, and we don't have many things to fill the space. A plus is that we have this right here, the AC. So in case you don't know, it's really hot in Thailand, as you can probably see by my excessive sweating right now, but it is what it is, man. All right, so our next room is the kitchen. So here is our kitchen. Weird thing about Thailand is that they don't really have like full kitchens. Like we don't have like we don't have like a stove top, we don't have an oven, we don't have a dishwasher, none of that.
It didn't even come with this fridge either. We had to buy that.
Yeah, the fridge we had to buy. Mini fridge, but we get enough space here. Honestly, we don't spend a ton of time like making meals here in Thailand because it's super cheap to eat out and the food is really good. So we got our hot plate, which is mostly used for like tea. As you can see from the various teas that we have here. Let's show you the fridge, man.
Why? We don't have to show inside.
That's what they do on TV cribs. Show you the fridge though.
Oh god.
Here's our fridge. A lot of fruit. So Thailand has really interesting fruits that I've never tried. A guava here. And then you have what's known as a
Rambutan.
rambutan. Really good. If you've never had it, I'll try one. Let's try one with people. So you open it like this. And then you have like a little
That one's funky looking.
Oh shit!
You better.
5 seconds longer.
Oh gosh, ew. Another thing about this kitchen and like cooking here, us and basically all the other teachers at our school that we talked to about this, like we don't really cook, honestly. To be totally honest, because all of our, or at least most of our kitchens look like this. And even for people who have kitchens, they just don't cook because groceries are not super cheap here. They actually can be a little bit expensive, and compared to the food that you buy when you go to a restaurant, it's honestly kind of just easier to eat out a lot.
Yeah.
A lot more. Like I know people here who have not cooked ever, not once. They eat out every single meal. I really like cooking. It's kind of disappointing and like a little bit harder for me not to be like in charge of cooking my own food.
So the next room we have, I don't really know what to call it. I don't really know why we have it, but I would just say this is like maybe for laundry.
It's unknown.
Unknown room. Maybe you guys can tell me what it is, because I have no idea, but yeah, that's that room. We have a bathroom here with our American very nice place for us, special for us. Come on. It's a decent sized bathroom, I think.
I mean, yeah, it's well, it has a shower.
It's very Thai. Like you'll find this in most Thai bathrooms, like no curtain, just open space right next to the toilet. You can like take a poop and also shower at the same time. You can do both.
My nanny is gonna watch this video.
Huh?
So my nanny is gonna watch this. All the bathrooms have like this, similar to I guess to a bidet, but in English this is like calling it a bum gun.
Bum gun.
So what people in Thailand do, usually in a lot of public places, they don't have toilet paper even, and Thai people will just use like this.
Yeah.
Dude,
wait. Let's see. That's a lot of water pressure. Go ahead. Damn. In some bathrooms in Thailand, they don't even have like toilets. They have just like holes in the ground.
Yeah, it's like a standing toilet, so you just like, it has like the form of a toilet bowl, but it's just into the ground and you have to like stand and squat. If you're traveling to Thailand, I recommend always carrying a roll of toilet paper with you for the bathrooms, because you never know. Some places have it, other places don't.
Yeah, that's a pro tip for real. So, everything here is very different. So, let's take you upstairs. So this is our upstairs little hallway. Yeah, hallway. And we have 2 bedrooms right here. We have 3 in total. 3 bedrooms in total. This is one of them. As you can see, no furniture. But maybe to come if we stay another year here.
The nice thing about this is that it has like a little terrace at the back. It's a really good view.
Yeah, nice view right here.
If you look to the left, there's a nice view. The mountains and stuff, but it's nice to have fresh air.
Our next bedroom right here, obviously, not furnished, but very spacious. There's a lot of space in here. I like these little like reflections on the wall. I think it looks really cool. Psychedelic. But yeah, another window. The view of the mountains and the clouds. Next, we have a master bedroom. With magic habits.
Oh my gosh, Evan, again.
That's what they say.
Again, my family watches this.
So we have a lot of space, obviously. It's a very big bedroom. Nice, comfy bed.
Actually, something about Thailand that we've learned is that their mattresses here are super firm, but I've come to find that I actually prefer it. It's really good for your back.
It's like a rock.
A comfy rock. It's a really comfy rock.
We have a nice little vanity here. You can sit here, do work, whatever you need to do. Do makeup. What I think we're both really excited about is the wardrobe, the amount of space that we have, just to put our things. We have a lot of space in here. Next we have our bathroom. It's a bit weird for me personally. We got this dog in here, for example. I don't know why, but it's there. And another weird thing which we found is like a little peephole right here.
See, I don't think that that's weird. I think it's like kind of cute. But we had to buy this pole and the actual shower curtain because before it was literally just this partial wall.
Yeah. Alright, so we have one last thing to show you. And that is just our balcony right here. And it just overlooks our neighborhood. Sometimes we can catch a nice sunset right here and just relax. Very peaceful. Everything we needed. Spacious. yeah, so that is our apartment in Thailand. We love it here. Maybe staying another year. We'll see what God has in plans for us.
I feel like it's important to know the price for our house here, which, as you can see, there's a lot of rooms, a lot of space. It would per month it's 9,000 baht, which is about $260 a month. That's not including the utilities, but again, that probably would, in total, is probably like 350.
Yeah, it's definitely under $400 for this whole space with like 2 floors, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Kind of crazy. But yeah, this is what you can like expect if you move to Thailand. Low rent cost. For us, it was really easy to get an apartment because we kind of had like a connect, which made the process a lot smoother.
But it's honestly really easy. You can just join like Facebook groups and things like that.
Seriously.
So, I feel like just the thing to know is that if you're living in Thailand, you can't expect to have complete privacy. There will be lizards and bugs that come into your house, and they just live there. Like, so you have roommates, and like if you're not okay with that, I don't really know how you're gonna figure that out. I've seen like at least 2 that live, one in our like kitchen area, and then another one in our bedroom. It doesn't really bother me because they don't do anything.
They leave little poops everywhere, and it drives me crazy. I keep finding them in the weirdest places, but
yeah, that's the one thing that they do. But
at least we don't have like snakes. And there's like these big monitor lizards, they call them, that live here in Thailand. And they look like Komodo dragons, like small crocodiles. It's crazy.
Yeah, some people like have had snakes like cobras in their driveway or in their house, and other people have had like, I think they're poisonous like centipedes or something inside of their house.
Be careful out here. It's different risks out here in Thailand.
Yeah, but that's just like part of it. Like, just accepting that it's just different.
Yeah. But that's life here. I'm trying to show you guys what life looks like here in Thailand to the best of our abilities. Appreciate you guys for joining us on this journey.